Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this expandable garden hose. So it comes in this carrying pouch. Let's show you what you get. All right, inside the package you get the nozzle with multiple spray ends, the hose, the holder, you get tape for sealing, and also extra washers in here, and a little manual. So for here you got cone, shower, flat, jet, soaker, angle, mist, half avert, center, full, and back to flat. Alright, let's show you guys how it works. Alright guys, it just connects to your standard end or your faucet, and then you will be good to go. You can close these valves so you can have them open or closed. Alright guys, so you have your different sprays and you twist it to change your different sprays. So that's angled, kind of a jet, kind of a jet with a little more. Another angled one, just a little mist. There's your another angled. This is just a soaker. I mean, it just basically just drenches. And jet, cone, and back to shower. So the other one was flat. So this, I said angle, but that's a flat one. And those are your modes.